Today we're gonna do some mountain surfing. We're going to Monte Sano, and I'm gonna launch it off a cliff. It's gonna be these right here. We'll see how they do. But first, we are starving. So we got to hit the McDonald's. No, you're okay. And we are here. Check it out. We're gonna fly all across that. Let's see how she do. Look out below.
Are you seeing what that?
Oh yeah, it's like you Superman. You right there in it.
It's like you're flying.
Yeah, I'll show it to you if you want me to.
That is so cool. I was down, down in the.
You could hear it down. You could hear it down there.
And I kept hearing this buzzing, and at first I thought it was somebody's electric bike. You can see with that scene like wherever you go.
You want to see it?
No, that's all right, man. I don't want to mess your stuff.
No, you can. No. I can hook it up to my phone, and I'll hold my phone, and you could.
That'd be cool.
Oh yeah, I post a lot of stuff on YouTube and whatnot of me just surfing little not caves, but mountains.
Yeah.
And you know, creeks, rivers,
Right.
like nature stuff. I like to come here a lot.
This is a perfect, I see quite a few people out here doing it. I would think it'd be a great spot for it.
Can you see?
Yeah.
Let's see where my phone. Okay, it rotated it.
So cool.
Let's change my settings here. All right, let's see. If you've never seen this before, you'll probably get a kick out of this.
Not at all, man. No way.
It's something else,
That
man.
is so cool.